Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to find your YouTube QR code. So YouTube channel QR codes make it easy for offline audiences to access your content by quickly scanning this 2D barcode with their smartphone or tablet. Viewers can instantly jump to your video without needing to search or enter URL. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your YouTube applications on your mobile. So dapat nakapag-login ka sa ating YouTube applications. And then open lang natin ang ating YouTube apps. And dito lang sa ating channel homepage. So kung paano ba natin i-view or i-find yung YouTube channel QR code, dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot or ito yung more options. So i-click mo lang yan and makikita mo kaagad dito yung share. So kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung share. And next step, so dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung copy link, quick shares, and itap mo lang dito yung QR code. So tap lang natin yan and wait natin. So makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating YouTube channel QR code. And then pwede mo itong i-save to camera roll. Alright, so dito sa baba, makikita mo itong save to camera roll. Itap mo lang yan and wait natin. Ayan, so image save. Okay, so in other method na pwede nating i-view yung ating YouTube channel QR code. So same dito sa ating profile. And then dito lang sa taas ay slide mo lang siya. And then dito lang sa upper right side makikita mo dito yung share channel. So itap mo lang yan. And dito ulit sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung QR code. So tap ulit natin yan. At ito na yung ating YouTube channel QR code. Pwede mo itong i-save. So click mo lang dito yung save to camera roll. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to find your YouTube channel QR code. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.